Hey friends, hope you're fine and welcome to my channel. Today we want to work on a very useful and important tutorial. We are often asked about this tutorial, and the tutorial is about how to obtain 3D models of urban areas where our project is located, so we need 3D files of it. Today I want to teach you very quickly how you can get these files in a second. So you need to go to the website cadmapper.com. In this website you can easily find these files and download them in a very different formats, which I will explain later. And working with them is really easy. So well, to start, you just click on get started creating a file. A map appears with all the details. You easily navigate to the area you want and find your desired location, or you can even use the search option. For example, I search for New York and it comes up with the location that I want. Now you can easily select the desired area by moving and zooming in. Just one very important point here is that this website is free, but you need to take it into consideration that the area must be less than 1 square kilometer so that you can download the file for free. If it is larger than this area, for example currently around 7 or 7.2 kilometers, it will show a price of $5 or $10, or it can be priced according to the dimension of the map. But if it is less than 1 square kilometer, you can download it completely for free. So I zoom in and now you can see that it is 3 kilometers. I zoom in more and it becomes 1.3 kilometers. Now you can either increase the area or zoom in a little more to see that it is now about 1 kilometer, almost 1 kilometer. So now I can download it for free. In general, the space we are working with is often enough to work with just 1 square kilometer, and there is often no need for a larger area. If you need more, for example, let's say 2 square kilometers, you can download 2 files and put them together to use. If not, you have to pay and get the scale you want. Now I choose this same range, and then from the left bar you can select the type of the file, such as AutoCAD, SketchUp, Illustrator, Rhino, Archicad or SketchUp with a specific version, or you can get the DXF file. I'm choosing the DXF file now. The bottom section has 2 parts where you can select 3D buildings if available. And the next section is topography, which also include the topography into the file. You can also put the road geometry on the center lines option to center the lines. And okay, now we almost finished the work, and click on create file. And here shows a preview of the area you selected. It shows the area in 3D axonometry, and also like a 2D or simply topography. I think it's okay, and now I'm clicking on the download to start the download. It's a very small file. Okay, alright. I downloaded the file, I extracted the file, and the file is a DXF file format. Now you can import the file into the software you're working with. For example, I imported into 3D Studio Max. Okay, and you can see that the file is very suitable for urban areas with proper details. So now I show the work in a clay mode from the shading section, so that you can see the details much better, and it's really suitable for urban spaces. It's really great. Now I add some materials to see it in real time. I select the entire work and add materials, and also I need to put a dome light inside the work. Okay. Well, now I open Vantage, Chaos Vantage, and okay, I will wait to open the software. Okay, I go to the live link section and click Start Server and link the file to Vantage. So it's really fantastic. Now the work has been imported into the Vantage system, and you can easily see how many great details it has. For example, imagine you're designing in this area or any other areas, and you can easily take that volume and replace it with your own volume. And you will see that you can use these files very quickly and very well. It's really great, it's extraordinary. Just search for the desired area and download it. The volumes are separate. You can easily select, move, or even edit the volumes you want. It's really great. Thank you very much for watching this tutorial, and goodbye until the next tutorial.